Hey everyone, it's Maldonado. I'm here with Hit Kit Club, and I am going to be using the June 2023 kits. The main kit, the Pocket Life kit, I'm going to use the little letters from there, and I'm going to be using these layered stickers from here, and I'm also going to be using the gold metallic paint from the color kit. So I'm going to create this layout. I decided that I wanted to keep things all in a circle today. Everything I wanted to do was in a circle. And then when I got done, I realized that orange base paper, those flowers looks kind of like circles too. So it all worked out and I really like the look. Some people may think it's a little busy. I personally like busy. I don't mind it at all. So I took that circle that I cut off of just a regular old circle from my silhouette, but I could have also used a plate, whatever. I cut all those pieces out and I trimmed the white out as well. And then I placed the frame, from the paper, the rest of the circle, back on to the orange paper. It was a little off-centered, so I had to move it and make sure it was in the center. And then I used the original paper as a template for where I needed to put my stripes back down. Sorry, I'm just getting over a cold. I think in the last video I created here, I had a raspier voice. But so my photo is of being on the rainbow stairs. If you're a scrapbooker, crafter, card maker, most people know that the whatever house is the place to go. They've got the best staircase in the world, and everybody gets their photo on there. So I was with about 17 other women. It was a really good time. It's my second time going, and I really hope to plan to go again, or would love to be invited again. It's a pretty great place to be. So I went through, this assignment, first let me backtrack a little. This assignment was to use this month's kit and bring in some old with the new. So I brought in last month's kit because the May 2023, because I knew there were quite a bit of circles in that, and I wanted to do everything relating to circles. So I tried to color coordinate where I put my embellishments. I wanted to put them on the paper that they matched. So there you go. So for my title of the layout, I wanted it to say whatever craft house. But remember back in typing, I think it was, when you wanted to center something, you counted every two and then you found which was the center of it, of that sentence that you want to make. And that's where the letter that you start with, and then you can move out to the right, and then you go back and you move over to the left and put all your words out in that manner. I'm not sure if that's familiar to anyone else, but it's a little trick I learned when I was typing, I think, or learning to type, on how to center words on, to the center of a page. So I added two different things, the Whatever Craft House and Newton, Kansas. So I really needed to backtrack both of those to find out what was the letter that was in the center for both of those. So I really had a good time with this layout. It came together really fast. Like I said, all I did was pick out a whole bunch of circle stuff and plopped them down on my page. And I did go back and take my fingers and smudge up the corners, or zhuzh up the paper that was solid and straight, just to give a little bit of texture. But I did take the gold paint, and then in a minute I'll take some white acrylic paint that I had on hand from the color kit, is where the gold paint came from, and I splattered that all over my layout. And you can see the little detail that ink splatters create here on these close-ups. So I thank you for joining me today. I will see you again soon. I just want to leave you with some close-ups. All the information about my layout will be down below. Thanks again. Bye-bye.